we bringing Lil, Steven, Isaac, and Ava too. Cause we high heat fishing, yeah, we on a mission. To get the big catches, can't stop this ambition. No lake is safe in the entire state. Trying to catch a fish as big as the Empire State. When we high heat fishing in that canal. High heat fishing is how we get down. High heat fishing from Pleasant to Socorro. High heat fishing, it's me and my little bro.
What's up, guys? High Heat Steve here. About to do some fishing right here at the park, local park right here, Anthem Park. My favorite park, the one I always go to. I'm gonna just go see what the bite's looking like. It's been probably about I would say maybe a month since I've been at this park. Last time I came here with Ava, and we caught a couple bluegills. I'm really trying to get some bass today, so I'm gonna see what I can see if I can see any on the top layer. Got the special glasses with me. About to get the waters real quick before I head out there. It is hot out here. It's probably about 100 degrees out here in Arizona right now, and gotta stay hydrated. Got the worms just in case. Local worms from Walmart. And I also do have plastic I'm gonna be using. So see what I can get today, guys. Stay tuned. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button. I'll see you guys at the water. Found this nice little spot right here in the shade. So I'm gonna go little bunny rabbit. Little duck. Let's try right here. Alright, first stop, guys. We're gonna check to see what we can get right here. Last time I was here with Ava, I tossed it right here under this tree, and there was something huge on it, but it got off. So I know there's something huge in this little body of water right here. For sure there's bluegills in here, and let's see what we can get. Alright guys, so this is what I have here. This is what I'm going to be using. I got a 1 ounce sinker with a leader, and just a regular, I believe it's a number 1 or number 2 size hook. Some worm right here. Just gonna pair it with the worm. And I have been using 2 hooks recently, but I'm just gonna use 1. And really I'm using this big setup because, like I said last time I was here, something huge grabbed it. Might be a huge carp, huge catfish, maybe even a huge bass. I'm not too sure, but all I know it was big. Snapped my lines. Alright guys, I think I feel like I'm getting bit already. Alright, so no bites by the tree. I'm gonna try right there by that where the water's bubbling over there. So we got some little baby ducks right here and over there. I really don't want to cast too close to them or end up popping one of them in the head. Oh, I just seen a nice cloud of something pop up right there. There must be something right there. I just got bit on this pole right now. Got hit pretty good. Alright guys, no bites right here. I don't want to spend too much time right here. I'm gonna go where I know I've gotten bites from, where I've gotten catches at in the past. So, and also I feel like you can see them better in this area where I'm about to head to. I just wanted to walk this area and see if I seen anything. I did see a nice fish jump right here, and I got a bite. So if all else fails, maybe I'll come back to this spot and cast again. But for right now, I'm gonna move spots. So on to the next location. Alright, so the first place we'll try out is this bridge right here. My son's caught a nice bass right here by this bridge. And at least we'll provide some shade right here. First I'm gonna see if I can see anything. And then maybe I'll throw a frog right here or something, I don't know, we'll see. Alright buddies, so I'm gonna come and join you guys. Oh, that buddy. Crater face. Need some lotion on that face, my friend. Been through it. Jesus. Alright, by catch right here by this bridge. Let's see what we can get, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa there. That's not what I was going for. Almost feel like I got tapped right now. Well, anyways, we'll put this bad boy right here. And if it gets hit, it'll move. Duck hanging out. Take care of this little bird. Oh wow. Poor duck. Accidentally scared the little ducks away. You got eggs right here. Lots of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 eggs. Pretty cool. Just trying to see if I see any fish in there. I wasn't really trying to disturb her from caring for her eggs, so I'm gonna go ahead and move out of this area so she can get back to being with her little babies. Sorry about that, ducky. Very relaxing park to come to, do some fishing, bring the kids, some fishing with the kids. Got off early today, so I thought I'd come over here and see what the fish's bite was looking like. And stay tuned. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Alright guys, I think I found a bass. Pretty sure I did. Gotta get this fish right here. He's over here. Not going for the plastic too much, so I'm gonna try this live worm out. Let's see if he'll go for the live worm. Yeah, I see him, guys. I see him. I don't know if it's a bass or what it is, though. Alright, guys, time to switch baits. I'm gonna try this crawl, the Kraken crawl. This one is the watermelon red, so by Guggen. I think this one may be a little too big for these guys right here, so put a little something smaller profile, and let's see if I can get them. This may be too big of a hook. Hopefully not. So number one size hook, perfect. Put it right there. Set up. Push my stopper down. Oh, he's still there too. So there's a smaller profile. Alright guys, so the Texas rig ain't working for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this Ned rig on there. I'll probably still use the same crawdad, the Kraken crawl, and see if that makes a difference, because they're not reacting the way I want them to this Texas rig, and I think it's mainly because it's just laying flat on the bottom. This Ned rig's gonna allow it to be more propped up, in a propped up position, so that it kind of just looks more realistic. I feel like been using a lot of Ned rig lately. Kind of one of my favorite setups right now. So let's see here. Get this set up. I'm just tying it the regular way, 7 times. Don't twist. Little lick. Should do. And we're good to go. And then I just gotta bait it. Cut the tag line off. Get my crawl back. I do have live worm out there. I threw live worm right here close by them, but same thing. Wasn't getting no reaction to it, so And I know they gotta be hungry. Ooh, something just came out of a little tunnel, out of a little hole. So I just realized they're hiding all along the bottom of this little concrete path that's underneath here. Yeah, you can see them dart out of there. So maybe if I bring it a little closer this way. Oh, there's a little fast sucker. Little dude is fast. He's just like super fast. I just see him darting around all in here. Alright guys, so I'm switching up colors, see if the colors change, make a difference. This is the Bahama bug, the cracking cob Bahama bug. Yeah, and this was the watermelon red. Millions of bass babies right here, all on the top of the water. Cool bird. He's right above me right now. His nest is right there. Wow. He's just looking down on me, wondering what I'm doing. I don't really think he likes it on filming now. Yep. Yeah, he sure don't. He sure don't. He came over here, almost attacked me. Crazy. He's trying to warn me. He's like, bro, you better move out of here before you get attacked. That was crazy. Ooh, get out of poop. Oh yeah, he's trying to warn me. He's like, you better get away from my birds, man. Crazy. I don't want to have to mess him up. He better stay over there. I gave you your space, buddy. Don't come over here near me, because you will get smacked with this fishing pole. Crazy old bird. I thought I was tripping, guys. I didn't know I was getting. You was trying to warn me. So you better get away from my babies before I attack you. Crazy. Sure enough, little dude tried Tried to come over here and intimidate me real quick, and he did. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I do not want that bird pecking at me. Crazy. Finally, guys. Finally, I don't know how long it took me, about an hour to get this bad boy out of here. Finally was able to get him. I had to use the EWG hook to get him off, or to get him. Finally able to get him after about an hour's worth of time. Finally, guys. Jesus. Thanks, little buddy. I really appreciate this catch. You don't know how long it's been since I caught her. Been out here for about 3 hours, man. Finally, guys. Finally got one catch. Been out here for about, I would say, since about 1 o'clock. Shit, I've been out here for like 3 hours and got one catch. So that's how it is sometimes. I could see them, tried out different baits and stuff, but finally I took the live worm on the EWG with no weight, nothing. Just weightless with the worm and EWG hook, and that was it. And then was able to get him out of here.